Racing just is started. We have Sweet na Sweet. Break weekly start down on the inside. Zalazam Gobelis Shifty in the portion. Karen Dance. Then next online is Perfection. Master's Degree Fly. Aday Fly. Magic Fantasy. Matikas. Rebecca's Magic. While entry number 1 Dugos Pet is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Sweet na Sweet by about 3/4 of a length lead. Gobelis in second. Perfection now moving up to take third. Shifty is racing in fourth. Then followed over by Salazam, Magic Fantasy, Fly Aday, Fly Matikas, Master's Degree, Karen Dance. Then followed over by Rebecca's Magic, while Dugus Pet is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Perfection. Now takes command. Sweet na Sweet is running by Darela. Gobelis comes next. Shifty is still in fourth. Then comes Magic Fantasy. Next online now is Zalazam. And as they swing for home, we have Perfection. This time by about 3 lengths. Gobelis in second. Moving apart the outside. Shifty. Sweet na Sweet is down on the inside. Last 100 meters, we have Perfection. This time draws clear by about 6 lengths, followed by Shifty. And finally Perfection. Shifty, then comes Gobelis, Magic Fantasy, Fly Aday Fly, Sweet na Sweet, Matika.